Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. Came home today and found another fantastic care package from my great friend Stephen on YouTube. Username Ssm0379. It's quite heavy. Thank you so much, my friend. I did a video yesterday regarding kind Stephen sending a package to my little boy Jacob, aka Pick Baby. So I'm going to open this now and see what's inside with my little penknife. You are too kind, Stephen, my friend, you really are. There's that much tape on it. That's better. Right. First out the package is another little titanium padlock. I love these. Fantastic, my friend. Ah, sorry, I was about to say bloody hell then, and actually just said it. It's a dimple titanium. That is amazing. I really love that, my friend. Let me pop that to one side and keep the box. Can't read everything that's on there, but it's actually got a box and working keys. Pop that over for a second. Ace hardened steel. Lots of new toys. Like I say, Pick Baby enjoyed his parcel the other day. I am really enjoying this. Looks like another Abus titanium. '80 Ti 50 that is really light. I'm going to have fun with that. Oh, another ace. Shrouded padlock. So 2 of these. Really fantastic gifts, mate. They really are. Looks like a couple of smaller locks in there. Abus monoblock. It's like a little shutter padlock and it's marked at 7 on there security wise. Let's have a look at this. That's going to be fun and a great addition, Stephen, to my little collection of Abus and shutter locks. Thank you yet again. There's so many toys in here, it's unbelievable. Oh, another sort of dimple lock. A smaller Abus. You are an absolute star, my friend. You really are. I'll try and move these boxes out the way. Pop that there. That there. I don't think there's enough room for camera shot, to be honest. So thank you so much, Stephen, my friend. You're a diamond. The care package my little boy got the other day, as you could see, it was over the moon. It really was, and the amount of pics you put in his pic set was unbelievable. And what you've just put in this package again for me is again unbelievable. Even though it's not a lot picking video, I would like to say thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal. Thank you again, Stephen, my friend.